Meaning of deceptive.
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 Deceptive. The term deceptive refers to something that is intended to mislead or give a false impression. It can be used to describe actions, statements, or appearances that are designed to trick or deceive someone into believing something that is not true. Deceptive behavior can have serious consequences, both for the person who is being deceived and for the person or organization that is engaging in the deception. At its worst, deception can be used to manipulate and exploit others for personal gain, often creating mistrust and damaging relationships in the process.